So this is the DSO138 Oscilloscope. I'm going to try to power it on here. I got it in test mode. So I'm hoping that I can use this to try to figure out how to convert a 1977 RCA black and white TV from RF to composite video and audio. Can I do that? I do not know. I'm going to try. I don't know how to operate an oscilloscope. I know very little about operating an oscilloscope. So, it may work out, it may not. But, seriously now. So what I need to do is to figure out what pins in that TV are generating the horizontal and vertical sync for the signal that's coming from the RF modulator that's inside of it. And with this I can actually see what the signal looks like. Otherwise it's kind of guesswork because I don't have the schematics for it. I've looked online for the schematics. I cannot find the schematics for this particular TV set, which is kind of strange because RCA, I mean, that was a pretty big brand back in the day. But regardless, I shall proceed. And since I don't have a schematic as a map, I'm going to use this to try to figure it out. And it will be a learning experience. Sometimes learning experiences are painful, but necessary to get a project done. So that's what I'm going to do. And by learning this, it might come in handy with other projects. I suspect that it will, because there's a few other things that I'd like to work on but wasn't able to because I did not have enough information. This hopefully will provide the information. We shall see.